Hello, my name is Sunil Prakash. My registration number is 22BC 0714. I am presenting my project for the course Behavioral Computing. The title of my work is AgriWare, Temperature Based Crop and Environment Monitoring System. The date of my completion of this work is 7th November 2025. In this project, I created a simple simulation that shows how temperature can be used as an input in a variable system for agriculture. The system takes a temperature value from the user and gives three important outputs. The first one are the environment condition such as cold, comfortable, cold or very hot. The predicted BPM representing how the farmer's body might react to that temperature. Third one, a list of suitable crops that can grow well in that temperature range. The goal is to show how a variable system can combine environmental data with decision supports for farmer. The software used for this project is Visual Studio Code and the simulation runs using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React. The project is executed using the live server extension in VS Code. All functionality is simulated through JavaScript and React without any external sensors.
क्योंकि साइज को रखता है इसीलिए पूछा था भाई दे दो ना किसी जूनियर को डाल दूंगा फिर
This is HTML file. First, in the HTML file are we created an input box where the user enters the temperature. Then I created three output boxes. First one is environmental status, second one is predicted BPM, and third one is suitable crops. Each box has its own ID, so JavaScript can update it. HTML handles the structure and layout of the interface. This file contains no logic, only the layout of the project. Next, in the CSS file, I style the entire interface with a dark theme. The input box and the output boxes have padding, rounded corner, and colorful transitions. Based on the temperature value, the background color of each box is changed. For example, green for comfortable temperature, yellow for hot, and red for very hot. CSS is responsible for making the dashboard look clean and modern. Finally, the main logic is written in JavaScript file. When the user types a temperature, an event listener detects the input. I convert the temperature to a number and classify it into temperature ranges. Each range has an environmental condition, a predicted BPM, and a list of 3 to 5 suitable crops. Now I will show the working of my project. This is the interface. This is the interface where we can enter a temperature value. If I enter 20 degrees Celsius, the system shows the environment as cold. The suitable crops are wheat, barley, and pea. If I enter 30 degrees Celsius, the system shows comfortable, suitable crops include rice, soybean, banana, and potato. If I enter 34 degrees Celsius, the system shows hot. Group crops recommended include maize, tomato, and groundnut. If I enter 37 degrees Celsius, the system shows very hot and advise crops such as sugarcane, millets, and papaya. If I enter 40 degrees Celsius or above, it shows extremely hot condition. Suitable crops shift to heat tolerant options like cotton, sesame, and castor. The boxes are automatically change color depending on the temperature range. This mimics how a wearable or IoT system might provide a guidance based on environmental data. Conclusion: this project shows a lightweight model of an agriculture variable system. It connects temperature with environmental assessment, human safety indicators, and crop selection. This basic simulation can be expanded with real sensor, real data, and IoT connectivity for practical application in precision farming. Thank you.